respected principal who have enjoyed their discipline is finished. They are going to team different things. It should not be like that. It should not be like that. If it is going on like this way, no chance at all. This is going on different way. My dear students, my heart is crying. I am a principal of senior secondary school. I am happy. 10 years for a senior students paid from my institution. 10 years, 10 MBBS, 10 engineers, so many B.Pharm workers, so many BSc nursing, so many professional courses students I produce. So being a head of the institution, being a principal, I am happy. Forget how much I lost, how much I am fighting with my colleagues, how much I have a conflict. That is I know. Because when I am going to type, everybody going to against principal. Lobbying started inside the staff room. But being here and down there. With 4 members, I am leading the institution. So my teachers should be reached in the right time. My teachers should complete the course in the right time. My teachers should follow the right time. But how many principals like us always fighting with teachers? No. Maximum principals surrender themselves. Evening, weekends, running with the teachers. And party started. So who cares him? Who cares him? No care, nothing. So due to the lack of leadership among us actually, we are the guilty person. We the principal are the guilty person. We have no actually courage, confidence to handle this young mind. And the young mind is always like that only. But the leader who is sitting there as a principal, he should have got that how to control this young mind, qualified mind. But you young mind also, do not be more selfish, my dear. Think about your job, think about your country, think your society. Teachers can spoil everything. Like we say. No doctors one time able to miss medical checkup. Teachers in one time all should be there. One time, engineer Wilson Hamilton next time how to be able to do that. Teacher এটা সাম মানুহ একেবাৰে মৰি যায়। সেইকাৰণে এই যে শিক্ষক জবটো পাই বিৰাট প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি কৰে মানুহে বৰ বিৰাট ভয় লাগে। বৰ্তমান সময়ত আটাইতকৈ চেলেঞ্জিং জবটোৱেই হৈছে শিক্ষকতা। আৰু এই চেলেঞ্জিং জবটো যদি চেলেঞ্জ হিচাপে লৈ আমাৰ শিক্ষকসকলে কাম নকৰে তেতিয়াহ'লে সমাজখন দেশখন ৰাজ্যখন কেনেকৈ ভাল হ'ব? Education is the backbone of the nation, and these children are today's children, tomorrow's responsible citizens. Gurkha খাবলৈ ধৰিছে, ড্ৰাগছ খাবলৈ ধৰিছে, টোটেল ইনডিসিপ্লিন among our students. এইবিলাকক বাধা কোনে দিব? ক'ত মাক দেউতাকে দিয়াৰ উপৰিও আমি স্কুলবিলাকত যদি ডিসিপ্লিন মেইনটেইন কৰি তেওঁলোকক মৰেল এডুকেশ্যন, ভেলু এডুকেশ্যন, এথিক্স দিব বিচাৰোঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে ভৱিষ্যত প্ৰজন্মই ভাল হ'ব পাৰিব। আৰু তাৰ বাবে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? আমি ত্যাগ কৰিব লাগিব। শিক্ষকসকল ত্যাগৰ প্ৰতি হ'ব লাগিব, মানে ত্যাগৰ প্ৰতীক হ'ব লাগিব। ত্যাগৰ প্ৰতীক হ'ব পাৰিলে ভাল শিক্ষক হ'ব পাৰিবা, আৰু ভাল শিক্ষক হ'লে ভাল সমাজ তৈয়াৰ হয়। কথা ক'বলৈ বহুত মন মাতি আহিছে, কিন্তু ঘৰত বহুত লগতে ইয়াত আৰু বহুত এজেণ্ডা আছে মই পঢ়িছোঁ। শেষত মই ইয়ালৈ আহি অত্যন্ত আনন্দ মনত বহুত ভাল পাইছোঁ। যদিও যথেষ্ট ব্যস্ততাৰ মাজত জীৱন কটাও কিবা এটা ভাল লাগিছে, আৰু এই ভাল লগাখিনি সদায় থাকক ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিছোঁ। এই অনুষ্ঠান আৰু জিলিকি উঠক। This institution will shine and shine. I pray God, and you the candidates after getting degrees, you must be a best person for the society. Thank you everybody. Thanks God and thanks the organization. Jai Hind.
A big thanks once again to Dr. Raven Kumar Bayan, Principal of Adarsha Vidyalaya School. Dear sir, I was keenly listening to your talk I was very much taken up by one word. We have lost our ethics of teaching. Me, I am working in a school, studying here, it makes a lot of sense. And much more, we are losing the identity of being teacher. I have written down, this is what we have to say. And much more than that, we have lost way to be a teacher. Therefore, yes, thank you so much for coming and inspiring us with such a fiery speech, I must say. I think if we have more principals like you, the educational system of our state, the educational system of our country will definitely evolve and improve. Therefore, dear friends, let us give Sir a big round of applause once again. Over to Nafisa for the next program.
So now, we have another dance performance. Dance performance by Sumita Day and her group. Please welcome Sumita Day and her group.
Krishna Hare, Hare Krishna Hare, Krishna Hare, Krishna Hare, Krishna Hare, जो है अंतर्यामी घनो दाता, जिसकी दीवानी बिजली हर दाता, वो कृष्ण है, वो कृष्ण है, वो कृष्ण है, कृष्ण है।
the component is possible product. Now, there are many countries and systems for ranking of the foreign industries and policies. And there are two organizations like ARWU. Now, you see, just giving the importance. Just giving the importance of the results. Simple, very simple word I'm using here. Results of the institution. What is the result? I believe that it is started. It is 40%. And then there are qualities of the teachers, of the economists, how they are improving or what their performance. And this, you see, I miss the teachers, the economists of these three colleges and others. Last year, and there was the interview for the treatment of the professors in this very college. The scholars from Brazil University and Korea University suggested for us the participant whether you're writing or not. Anything this. And most of them answered and negative. They have nothing. No record even. Only attitude. Only attitude can become something. Maybe one, maybe story. And other attempts. Now, in the ARWU, it's even very important. There are what's the performance of the faculties. So I wish the teachers, faculties, to write something. If you write something, states a group, color, then some cases in the newspaper and regulations and some more speeds of the colleges and universities. And it's found how high level many leaders will read, many leaders read these and quote in their writings. But your writings or your statistics are cited by other professors or scholars that you are recognized. So it is 10%. And there is another criteria that to save money, many owners or the proprietors of the colleges and institutions somehow they maintain the economy to accommodate economies, least economies. But the demand, the owners' demands to proprietors, yes, this 10,000 is student and economies ratio, but it's given importance. But we see many owners of the colleges and universities apparent sufficient teachers and quality holders. That means good teachers. Now you see, what we found now is not given very important, but it is not major. And what I write
A.R. Kabini. Nursing, we should make the college proud in the papers to write books, and your writing should be, our writing should be of the quality, because the renowned, the quality of the assembly will be read by the readers, and it will be quoted, will be cited in the writings, that will become unknown. However, our Francis against what a mentioned that the dedication, not only dedication, but devotion, we the teachers should be dedicated on devotion. And our duty is to develop the nation, develop the humankind, and develop the world. Not only India, but all the world, we should try. That you see, one thing is here, that we have many things to sacrifice. So we should be ready, the Jesus only should be ready to sacrifice for the upliftment of the society, for the welfare and happiness of the human community. Yes, we have a role to say, but it is tiring. So I would like to hold you here, speaking much more. Yet, I request the students, those who have graduated and who will felicitate, the students and who are studying here, to be, not to be selfish, but you should do a lot for the world, for the human communities, and the development of the nation. Okay, so please don't mind. I made a circle, not a circle, a story, the very famous tangible or profound colors that had no control over. Their chances, the winter winter, and last my economics professor, Dr. Kumar Barua, they were so conscious, they were dedicated, they were devoted. I worship him now, and feel him. I worship him, I will worship him. And I will worship you, the teachers of this institution, if you do your job very well. Learning, knowing the duties of lastly, I would like to thank my heartfelt thanks and greetings to the students, and I would like to thank our chairman or owner of this institution. But I would like to request him that you should try to develop the conditions of the course, the buildings of the canal. The students' appointment is not enough, but transforming, then he should look to his points. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful words. Now, I invite Sonali Rai, former student of Bravery Academy College, to share a few words with us. Sonali Rai, if you are here with us, please come to the stage. Sonali Rai.
whatever we have got, the results. So this is not just our achievement, this is also your achievement, this is also your contribution. So you can make our life, our result, performance good. So you have also made a contribution in our results. So thank you for all your guidance and helps. So that I can make up like this. I will আমি হিসাব কৰি আছোঁ যিটো পাছত নিজৰ যিমান পাৰোঁ নিজকে ইম্প্ৰুভ কৰিব চেষ্টা কৰিম যিহেতু আমি টিচাৰ হৈও বহুত বস্তু শিকিবলগীয়া থাকে সেইটোহে তেনেহ'লে সেই বস্তুখিনি চাই মেলি আমি যিমান পাৰোঁ নিজকে ইম্প্ৰুভ কৰিম যিমান ষ্টুডেণ্টছৰ পৰা ইয়াতখিনি নলেজ হওক বা যিমানখিনি ইনফৰমেশ্যন আমি দিব পাৰোঁ সেইকাৰণে আমি যিমান থাকিব চেষ্টা কৰি থাকিম গোটেই আপোনাৰ সহায়ৰ কাৰণে বিচাৰিম থেংক ইউ
We want to sing a few lines and let us. No, for the last day before you leave us, maybe one small song. That was something wonderful. Thank you so much, Jyoti Barman, for the beautiful speech on behalf of our grade students. Now we have almost come to the end of the program, but before that, we have another invited guest in the person of Melson Alma Bromo Goheri. I invite him to the stage for the felicitation, sir. And he will felicitate him. Let's give a round of applause. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. Now I call upon Chairman, sir, to give the presidential address and the vote of thanks.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Ramanujan Payan, who was the principal of this college during 2014-2017. And now he is working as the principal of Novel School of company. And my principal, my immediate guest, as well as my team of these colleagues, these are members of the police committee, secretary, and principal, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my RB students, then first semester students, and employees. So this is the competition program organized for second half this year, and I do very happy that respected CPS has consented and delivered his very good speech regarding academy, and all the guests who have taken part in the competition program. So this is a small day. So maximum students are out of the campus for their lunch and then going to visit their home. So this is a very beautiful arrangement by the principal and the teaching staff and then our students' friends. So I hope this program will encourage the student society for their future life, in their life and part of the academy. So I do conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rajan sir, for delivering to us the vote of thanks. Thanking every one of us. Now with this, we have come to the end of the program. I ask everyone for the photo session. I don't know where the photo session will be, here or outside. So we have it outside. We have the photo gallery area, so that all of us maybe can peek in somewhere and then get ourselves inside the photo. So please let us move outside. And immediately after the photo session, we have a sumptuous meal prepared for us. Let us not forget to fill our stomach with it. Thank you and have a good afternoon.